This is Iceland's most famous black sand beach, Reynisfjara, which also happens to be the most dangerous one. Let us show you how to visit safely. As you enter the beach, you'll see lights indicating whether it's safe to visit. If the red light is on, you need to stay entirely off the beach. You'll also see billboards with information about so-called sneaker waves. This is what makes this particular beach so dangerous. Basically, a wave that's much larger compared to the others appears out of the blue. It will sweep you off your feet and can drag you out into the ice-cold water. So how do you stay safe when visiting this black sand beach? First, you should always stay far away from the ocean. Second, you avoid turning your back to the ocean. Third, you only enter the cave by the beach in the calmest conditions. Basically, that means that you only enter the cave if the green light is on at the entrance to the beach. Often, this cave and near the cliffside with basalt columns is where people get caught by surprise by sneaker waves. And finally, just because other people are getting too close to the ocean doesn't mean it's safe to do so. It's very likely that they have no clue what they're doing. Unfortunately, most visitors walk right past the multiple warning signs on the way to the beach without paying attention to them. Save this video so you'll remember how to stay safe when visiting Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach in South Iceland. Follow Guide to Iceland for more travel tips and inspiration for your Iceland adventure.